primetime news this evening, chaos and frustration as motorists converge on traffic courts to pay outstanding tickets.
No more license buying. Transport Minister says tighter measures coming to end illegal practice.
And $100 game leaves Cornwall College student in hospital. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also in the business day, Palace Amusement agrees to a stock split.
Okay, and Jordan Forty's here. He'll give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, 2022 was another sparkling season for Jamaica's female track and field athletes, and already two of the nation's biggest sprint stars are promising more of the same for 2023 after their season openers at the weekend. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thank you very much, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, but before that, we'll also be having weather with Romaine Robinson.
Thanks so much, Andrea. We're expecting drier conditions over the next couple of days. We're looking at Thursday as the day this week that has the most shower activity across the island.
All right, and as I said, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what do you think can be done to improve the current systems at the traffic court?
Now you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.